Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to remove your lawnmower wheel and add it to another lawnmower. I picked up this one for 20 bucks, but it's missing one of the tires, so I'm gonna take one from this Mower lawnmower. Okay, so this is on like this. Just get yourself a ratchet or a box end wrench, 14 mm. So I'm gonna have a cover, just righty tighty lefty loosey. Take it off. You don't have to be the same tires, most of them work. So I'm just gonna add this on like this and put the screw back in, and it fits. And I'm gonna swap this one too, because this one is a little bigger, so I'm gonna swap. Usually the lawnmowers, the front tires or wheels are smaller and the back ones are the bigger ones, like those. So I'm gonna, and you can adjust it too, so I'm gonna just put your nut back, tighten this up, and I'm gonna remove this one here. It's a cover here. So this other side, just pop this cover off, this wheel cover. Most of them are the same 14 millimeters. Take this out. I'm just gonna go here, take this one out. Already started. The spindle, the nut and the thread is the same threading, so this tire is bigger, as you can see, and that's on here. This is smaller, so I'm just gonna swap it out with this. So it's gonna have two different front tires, but that's okay as long you have 4 wheels on it. Who's gonna notice this? Just wiggle this off. Like that. And you can put some, clean this up a bit, put some grease or whatever you want to put there. Just pop this back on and put the nut back in and tighten it up, make it nice and snug. Okay, as you can see, I put both tires from the other lawnmower that the engine is seized on this, the front 2 wheels. As you can see, it clears the ground, even though it's smaller tires, so it's good on this. And now I just have to clean this up and sell it back. That's how you change your if you have a spare lawnmower that's damaged, like broken, you can use the parts back. You don't have to get rid of it. Just take out whatever, like the carburetor, whatever, because most lawnmowers is the same part of it. The fuel tank, the cord, the cable. You can salvage it and use it back like I did, because one of these tires, they cost like 5 to 10 bucks I think on Amazon. So if you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.